Welcome back everyone. Today we have some incredibly exciting news for the PHPRunner and ASPRunner community. The highly anticipated version 11.3 beta is officially here, and I am going to show you exactly how to get your hands on it. If you've been waiting for the perfect time to upgrade, this is it. This update brings a massive leap forward, packed with significant AI-related improvements that enhance both the look and the underlying logic of the software. But that's not all. They have also implemented two brand new cloud file storage providers, Google Cloud and Azure Blob storage. You can find the full feature list in the blog post I've linked right down in the description. The stable version is officially slated for release on June 10th, 2026. But why wait? If you are new to PHPRunner and just want to try it out, you are more than welcome to download the free trial. Just check the description for the link, choose your platform, whether that's Windows, Mac or Linux, and you are good to go. For my fellow paid subscribers, upgrading is a breeze. I've included a direct link in the description that will take you straight to the login page. Here's how you do it. Simply log into your control panel and navigate to My Purchases. Locate your PHPRunner upgrade. Click on Registration Info and hit that download link. You'll be prompted for a username and password, which are conveniently provided for you right there on the screen. Enter those, sign in, and save the installer to your PC. Once the file is downloaded, it's about 430 megabytes. Just double-click to start the installation. And here is the best part. There is absolutely no need to uninstall your older software. The installer automatically detects your previous version and safely upgrades it. Just sit back and let it do its thing. And just like that, you are up and running on the new version 11.3 beta. I am incredibly pumped to put these new AI capabilities to the test. If you want to see exactly what this new powerhouse can do, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss my upcoming deep dive tutorials. Thank you so much for watching. Go grab that beta and I will see you in the next video.